understanding Lyons' hypothesis, you have to understand the basics. So first, let's look at a normal female sex chromosome, which as you can see is XX, which means that there are two X chromosomes, while a male has XY, which means that he has one X chromosome and one Y chromosome. A female can only have one activated X chromosome at a time. Therefore, a bar body must form. A bar body is when one of the two X chromosomes become condensed or compacted and become isolated off to the side of a cell. This is now an inactive X chromosome. The active X chromosome will be the gene that is expressed. So for a normal male, as you can see, there is only one X chromosome. Therefore, there are 0 bar bodies. There are rare occasions where you can have 0 to 2 bar bodies, as you see below. We have one situation where we have an XXY, so we have one bar body. Then we have an X chromosome only, and you have 0 bar bodies. And then on the right, you see that we have a situation where there are 3 X chromosomes, therefore there are 2 bar bodies. Now that we have discussed bar bodies and have a generalized background on what Lyons' hypothesis and bar bodies are, let's look and explain how a bar body could affect the different animals that have the same genotype. Here we crossed a yellow short-haired female with a black male heterozygous for long hair. So after doing our cross, we have found that half of our offspring will be male and half of our offspring will be female. So let's focus on our males first. When looking at the males, we know that they will be fully yellow. So half of our offspring will be yellow, half will be long-haired, and half will be short-haired. Therefore, we have 1/4 yellow long-haired male, 1/4 yellow short-haired male. Now let's look at our female. All of our female offspring will be tortoiseshell. So 1/2 of our total offspring will be tortoiseshell, and 1/2 of our tortoiseshells will be long hair, while the other half of our tortoiseshell will be short-haired. So overall, we will have 1/4 tortoiseshell long-haired female and 1/4 tortoiseshell short-haired female. So although that we know that we will have different length hair, the tortoiseshell appearance can also be different in these different females, and this is due to the bar bodies. Two female cats wouldn't have the exact same coat color due to where the bar body is located and which chromosome becomes the bar body. This would change the location of the markings and how the markings would be present.